All right, so T-Mobile. I tried to sign up for 5G internet last night for T-Mobile, and so now they're asking me how my experience was. So, how satisfied are you? Would you recommend T-Mobile 1010? Was it easy for you to resolve your issue? My issue is I was trying to sign up, so it wasn't like a problem, but it was like I gave them a 5 on that and a 7 on how I was with the ability of the service reps. The rep that I got was great at the end, but the reps before that weren't. So anyway, it said, please provide additional feedback for your experience. Here's what I wrote. Vincent was an excellent representative, pleasant, cheerful, knowledgeable. Having said that, the process for signing up for 5G home internet took much longer than I expected. I would suggest a shorter script. For instance, I felt like I was being read a sales pitch when I clearly stated that I was interested and ready to sign up. This would have saved some time. Also, I was transferred several times before I could reach the qualified service rep. A great deal of time was spent on hold prior to this. Also, the popular music selections while on hold were suboptimal, especially with the poor voice quality of the connection. Am I right?
Yeah.
And I said, the soothing Spanish guitar once I was transferred to the sales department was a better choice.
Yeah.
So I'm going to send that.